Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can check app permissions on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on apps. Next, we go down and select an app you would like to check the permission. So for example, I'm going to tap on this AdGuard app and then tap on permissions. Then here tap on the option key, then tap on all permissions. And these are all the permissions an app has request to access. So you can see here it has full network access, view network connections, run at startup, query all packages, and you can just tap on it to view some more information about it. Now if you tap back here, you can choose what is allowed and not allowed. And if I go back down out here, and let's say if we open up another app, so let's say I'm going to choose Drive, for example, permissions, and you can see in here it's got no allow permission, some of the permissions that it may be requested but not allowed, camera, contact, files and media. So if you want Drive to work correctly, it might need to access files and media. In here you can tap on it and tap on allowed, and then tap on the back key. Once it is in the allowed permission, you can also tap on it to remove and choose not to allow. So if you want to manage what permissions an app has, you can go on here and change the permissions, and that's it. So again, you can go back to the list, to the apps list, and then go down the list here and open up another app where you can choose the permissions it has. So tap on permissions, and here you'll be able to view what kind of permission it has or don't have. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.